Difference between first heart sound and second heart sound. First heart sound is due to the closure of AV valves and makes onset of ventricular systole. And second heart sound is the closure of semilunar valve and marks onset of ventricular diastole. First heart sound is low pitch. Frequency is about 30 to 80 beats per second. 80 beats per second. And the second heart sound is high pitch. Frequency is what 150 to 200 per second. The first heart sound is loud and second heart sound is sharp. The best heard over the bicuspid and tricuspid area are is the first heart sound, and second heart sound is best heard over the pulmonary and aortic area. First heart sound is longer duration, 0.1 to 0.17 second, and second heart sound is shorter duration, 0.1 to 0.11 second. The first heart sound coincides with R wave of ECG and second heart sound coincides with T wave of ECG.